That's the easy kind of trick.
Okay, a lot of you have said I'm good with this. I hope so. We're going to make sure, okay? So, it has to be a right triangle for us to use these, okay? I'll show you later in the year how to use these without right triangles, but for now, just isolate yourself into right triangles. Okay? First thing you have to be able to do is identify sides. So, this is my angle. My reference angle. Sound familiar?
So that's theta.
We have to classify these sides as adjacent, opposite, and hypotenuse. Does that ring a bell? So if I ask you which one of these was this is hypotenuse. Always opposite the right angle. It's always the longest side. Jason, opposite.
Opposite.
Adjacent is on the other one's opposite. To the
Okay,
hypotenuse.
if you're in English class, what does adjacent mean? Next to, right? Adjacent is next to the angle. It touches it in the back. Okay. And then opposite is across, is opposite of the angle. Okay. These two can switch if you switch the reference angle. Okay.
So if we were tilted to the left,
Just change the angle and the adjacent and opposite will swap.
So
Change the sides on.
Blue, call it alpha, that will mean that this is opposite, and this is.
because that's alpha and right.
Angle, opposite, adjacent. So, be aware of that. Now,
Whatever side
the beautiful thing about right triangles is, yes ma'am, of this,
It's a fish with an open tail.
that's angle fishing.
Angle fishing, really?
It's a Greek letter alpha.
What's that?
Okay, this is theta.
Theta.
Oh.
Yes, yeah,
No.
the beautiful thing about right triangles is depending on the angle, ratios of these always fold. Okay,
So wait, do they always equal 260 or 180?
they add up to 180.
420. The eye roll is dead in this there.
Could you sit any lower?
Okay, the ratios are governed by functions that we've created called sine, cosine, and tangent. It's abbreviated sin, cosine, tan. Sine, cosine, tangent.
Okatoa.
That's one I remember. So, some of you remember SOHCAHTOA?
Yeah.
Right, so sine's ratio is opposite of hypotenuse, right? SOH. Remember now?
No,
Light
it
bulbs.
makes sense.
Cosine
Opposite
is
over opposite.
CAH. And tangent is
Opposite over.
opposite of this. So we've covered all possible ratios of those sides.
Are you sure?
That's a good one.
Are you gonna like throw something else that we've never seen
I would
before?
still have you say that, but that.
Yeah. Key and Peele.
Okay. Mr. Frank introduced us to some old hippie caught another hippie tripping on acid. You ever heard that one
I like
before?
that one.
Okay, so write that one down. It's easy to remember.
What was it?
Some old hippie
Caught another
caught
hippie.
another hippie.
Tripping on acid.
Yeah.
And that's fitting.
No, not at all. Hey, Mr. Arthur, are we still doing that math joke competition? Because I got a new one.
It's Montaigne won, by the way. I forgot.
What was your joke?
Free assignment.
It's about hypotenuse.
Okay. Oh yeah,
Have
we
you ever
heard
seen
that
Key
one.
and Peele? Good one.
the imaginary.
Okay, so, yes, Cynthia spelled different. Deal with it.
It's just so perfect for him.
So okay, so based on this information, there are a lot of ways we can use it. Okay? We can use it to calculate angle measures, we can use it to calculate side measures.
Was the tangent opposite over adjacent?
Yes.
It's not that fast.
We can use it, so what you have is 3 pieces of information, right? You have an angle and it's 2 side lengths, that's 3 pieces. You need 2 of them to solve. I have 2 of them. I can solve one of the third. Okay, so
Use the angle.
identify opposite, adjacent, or hypotenuse. Opposite, adjacent. Do I need to worry about hypotenuse?
Is that 50 in there?
Is that a 4 or 1?
50, 4, 1.
Okay.
So based on these 2, which function am I going to use? Yeah, it's TOA, OA, tangent. Tan. This is why I have you set it up every time, because you can make that mistake very easily that you just made.
What?
And he said multiply by 4. Multiplying by 4 does not solve this equation.
You have to multiply by lines over the way.
Yeah, so y is in the bottom, so we have to move it out.
How would that be 50 y and then you divide, divide 50 over the 4?
Yeah.
Right, I thought this was
And then divide by,
Y is equal to 1.0.
so be careful when that variable's in the bottom of the denominator, of the fraction, the denominator. You can skip this step if you want. You can just swap the 2. I'm okay with that.
So then would you just leave it like that?
No.
That would be your tangent?
Okay, then you have to calculate the actual answer. Good calculators.
Yeah. 1/25.
I'm pretty sure that.
they're gonna ask us which one they want, so
The question, you could ask several, which function do you use? You ask you to solve for y. I could ask you to solve for the subtriangle or the hypotenuse. Sorry?
and so you answer that.
3.356.
What is tangent 50?
I got negative.
Yeah, I got-
2.7.
Okay. Negative .271. What'd you get out of it for tan 50?
I just put the entire fraction in there.
What'd you get for tan 50? Type it in.
Question.
Negative
Is, so one
Oh, I like it.
tangent
Mine's got a 1.191.
Okay. Why are we getting 2 different numbers?
Because it needs to be in degrees.
Okay, so be careful, because my calculus
degree
classes
reading.
run in radians mode, which you'll learn what that is.
That's horrible.
You have to, every time you use one of those, go to mode,
You got 1.1?
So mine would be right.
degrees.
Oh, yeah, you can.
1.1,
917.
that was 3 point.
3.356.
What?
I just completely skipped that. This the middle part is the entire equation.
His calculator's an old one, it's probably just in degree mode automatically. Those graphing calculators, we switch them all the time in calc, so be careful.
Once you switch them, so it's like that the entire time.
No, if you switch it, it's in degree mode. You can just use it.
How do you?
There you go.
Oh.
So, here, go ahead.
Yeah, it's right there.
Alright, now,
Is it bad to use our phones? Because I got the same answer using that on my phone. Okay.
it's a calculator, it should work. How can I calculate this angle measure? Just thinking out loud here. 180 minus 90 minus 50 would make this 40. How could I solve for the hypotenuse now? Okay, Pythagorean theorem. We'll do one way. What else?
If you,
Could I use?
Triangle side?
well, what you do is if.
Could I use sine? Sine is opposite hypotenuse, right? Okay. Could I use cosine adjacent hypotenuse? Because I have the adjacent now. Right, so there are a lot of options to finish solving this triangle if you're asked to. Okay.
You find that, by subtracting, 90 and
So there you go. That's how solving for side is. Okay, let's talk about hobbies. Did I hear that?
Yes, we did.
Hobbies. Okay. How do I solve for an angle measure?
Inverse.
So you gotta set it up first, right?
That's what you need to do. So that's what you're doing.
Yeah, so if you have 3, 4, 5 triangles, you can automatically just do it. It's a special right triangle.
Yay. I like those triangles.
Is this adjacent or opposite?
They're adjacent.
Adjacent.
so that portion.
And
Now, wait, now.
Yeah.
you could, yes. What function would I use for these two? AH is cosine. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Set up.
So when you put it in the 5 there, what's the relevancy for 0?
This is theta.
That's not a 0, that's theta.
It's a variable, it's like x.
It's a big letter.
How do I solve this problem?
Oh, we're trying to put it in first.
Well, that's what I'm teaching you. This is a function. You can't just multiply or divide or add or subtract. You have to use the inverse. So if I cosine inverse, this side becomes theta. This is cosine inverse of 3 over 5. It's the key on your calculator. It's second cosine.
This makes no sense. Why am I spat out that big of a number?
What? On your calculator, second cosine, and then do 3 divided by 5.
Yeah, I got 53.1. Okay, that,
What?
I got 53.1.
53.1301.
And it's an angle, so put degrees on it, please.
So that's how we find angle.
Yes.
What's the bottom of this one?
Use the inverse.
Divide 5 by 3. 3 divided by 5. Oh, you have to use the inverse. That's what they're doing.
Let's compute
How far do you want us to go in decimals?
3. Okay. So those are the two main things that you want to take from today. There are a couple others. Sometimes you're asked for these 6 trig ratios. Okay. We've only got 3 right now, correct? Sine, cosine, and tangent. Cosine is 3 over 5, right?
So that'd be the inverse one.
Here sine theta is 4 over 5, right? And what's tangent? Opposite first. Okay. The other 3 are secant, cosecant, and cotangent. don't even touch the PreCalculus.
Wait, can you break the letters on
Yes, so this is secant, cosecant, cotangent.
With the age or
Yeah, that's what we're going. Okay, secant is paired with cosine.
What's that?
1 over cosine, which is h over a now. See, cosine's AH, secant is HA.
Oh, so it's gonna do the same thing for the cosecant?
Cosecant's paired with sine, which is,
Opposite over hypotenuse.
so see, cosecant's h over O now. You just flip them. Right?
Then the cotangent would be the
1 over tan.
adjacent over opposite.
Okay, so they're directly related to sine, cosine, and tangent.
Yeah. would be-
Tan. 1 over tan. Here's where you need to be careful. Sine, theta. Logically, you think secant and sine go together, right? But they don't. Secant and cosine are paired. Cosecant and sine are paired. Okay? Don't ask. Is that it? Oh, you can ask, but I'm gonna say I don't know. 1 over tangent. Okay. So they're the reciprocal of the sister function sine, cosine, and tangent. Again, you have a blue sheet. It's not like you have to remember any of these. I would put them on. So in this case, we can take these ratios and plug them directly in there as well. Those we don't use as much, just because sine, cosine, and tangent are easier, more straightforward to use them. We just use them a lot. Any questions?
Yeah, I don't think he heard you.
Or I ignored her. No, actually, I just shut my hearing off and didn't hear you. So yeah, I guess it is that ignored.
Selective hearing.
That's not you.
What, only like 4 inches?
Yeah, it's not very bad.
6, 8. No question. 2, 6, 8, 38.
Will we need graph tape for this one?
Probably not.
Yay! That's a 38.
2, 6, 8.
We appreciate it. Nice time.
Yes. Use the one that says X.
I pulled that on one day.
Okay, so have a nice day. Leave your tests on your desks, otherwise you get 0. That would suck.
Yeah, my next class.
I'm gonna reteach that effort too.
Oh my god.